Hey guys, looks like you've been holding on to part of our haul from last week. More of the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles action figure line. I say, let's open them up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And today we're bringing you the Mutations Mix and Match series. So we have Lee the Eel, Goldfin, and Mustang Sally. Seahorse, the appearance is that of a moray eel in the cartoon. It has the powers of an electric eel, but looking at it, moray and a little goldfish. These characters are specifically part of the East River 3, which are the new villains in the new show, Tales from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I was actually impressed. I wanted to do my research before playing with these characters. I wanted to get to know them a little bit. And it was actually a good watch. So I say, let's start opening them up. The gimmick with this series of the line is that I believe every limb, both legs, both arms, head pop off and you can switch them around. So each character comes with a base figure that you could just say, there is no mix and match feature. You get a awesome action figure. But it also comes with an extra appendage or two, and it can pop apart. I guess we'll start with the leader, Goldfin. What am I gonna do when you're like even bigger? For the record, this massive beast of a child is 10 months old and 11 pounds and this big and feisty. So we have a show to do. Now the back of the pack does show you all the other figures you can get in the mix and match line. So these are all the figures that can pop their parts off. What's really cool is these guys come with buddies. And if any of you were collecting during the 90s, a lot of figures like Wingnut and then Screw Loose was a little one colored buddy. And then there's a kangaroo that came with a Joey. There was the gorilla who came with the monkey. There was Muckman and Joe Eyeball. There was a moose that came with the beaver. Anyway, there were a lot that came with buddies. And these guys came with buddies too. And they're little mutant sea anemones. Oh my god, even the sea anemones are like articulated or pop apart that you could be, I think, doing the mix and match. So right away, our extra parts are a Ninja Turtle arm and I believe some sort of frog foot. Now, with the mix and match series, you don't have as much articulation, like no elbow and knee joints, but again, I'm collecting these to go with my old 90s ones. There was no such thing as elbow joints and knee joints with them either, so these work perfectly. But I just love how his proportions are, that this is like a legit goldfish mutant. And you can see the parts do pop apart fairly well. So let's just say we gotta put this arm on. So say for maybe young ones that are actually playing with these and like the mix and match feature, which is awesome, by the way, and something I would have done. It's actually really easy to do. On to Mustang Sally, the seahorse. All right, so we have a wingnut head, another like armored turtle arm, another delightful mutant sea anemone. This one actually even comes with a weapon, but this is like a piece of coral with an axe. Okay, say I just bought them for to display the main figure, but this mix and match thing might end up entertaining me for a very, very long time. Last but not least, Lee the Eel. This is awesome. And okay, yeah, the whole tail comes off. Lee, she has some sort of like water gun that's actually like translucent and cool. And now we have a new addition to the sea anemone friends. This one has a Leonardo head and I believe a splinter foot. Overall, this is an amazing line. Again, as a kid, I would want this entire line, like all of them, and would just have hours of fun mix and matching. As an adult, I'm gonna put them the way they're supposed to be and add them to my collection of TMNT, the Biodiversity Club. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to our Mutant Mayhem the past 2 weeks, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. This show's like mix and match. And who knows what else? A little bit of this, a little bit of that. You mush it together, take a bit of this. Just some sort of magical related mix and match chaos. Well, they were a Thanks so much. Bye. And here we have the East River 3, Goldfang, Mustang Sally, and Lee the Eagle. And all the derpy yet adorable sea anemone friends. And then these are the mix and match abominations that I made all by myself.